Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a cover image to a page in Notion. Start by clicking New Page in the sidebar to create a blank page, which opens with options to add an icon, cover, and comment. Click Add Cover at the top of the page to apply a default moon cover image to your page. Click the Change button that appears over the cover to open the cover selection menu with several image source options. Click Unsplash to access the stock photo library, which opens a search box at the top of the panel. Click into the search field and type mountain to find images matching that keyword. Once the search results load, you'll see a grid of mountain photos from Unsplash to choose from. Click on any image you like to apply it as your new page cover, and it replaces the previous one immediately. To remove a cover later, hover over it and click Remove to return to a coverless page. The cover you add to a page shows up on its card in any gallery view where that page appears, making it easy to identify at a glance. If you want to adjust how the image sits in the frame, use the Reposition button that appears when you hover over the cover. You can also upload your own images instead of using Unsplash by choosing the Upload option from that same Change menu. And that's how to add a cover in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.